Right, turn that off. Bear with me. Hello, welcome back. This video is going to be very short. I'm a man down in the workshop at the minute, so we're trying to get time to do these videos is very, very difficult, and trying to keep everybody happy at the same time. And this morning I've been interrupted, I don't know how many times, so I've been cutting in and out, trying to get a coat on here and there and stuff like that. So we thought, anyway, without waffling, it's not your problem. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to show any of the progress as such. I think you might have seen them in primer, and now they're painted. So at least we'll see the colour for the first time anyway. Don't know if that makes sense on the camera or not. Try and get underneath that light if we can. So it's quite a dark red, but in the sunshine, over the high areas, if you like, it's going to be really nice. Oh, beautiful. So hopefully, it's quite different to what's on the van at the moment, so that's nice. Actually looks bit there as well. Always difficult to tell with these cameras, because we're LED lights in the booth, always makes the colour look a bit different anyway. Let's see. You see on that one, the light's directly above it. So that one looks a bit lighter there, a bit darker there. But I think once it's all back together, somebody else here now, I think once it's all back together, I think it'll look nice outside in the sunshine. So yeah, I will try and keep these videos moving. Bear with me, there will be some more on the cards. We're just trying to get organised and try and keep everything moving where we can. So yeah, so this is the first look at these bits anyway. I'll show them again, I'll add them onto the next video that I'm working on in the back room, so you'll see it under a different light anyway. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Short video for today.